Makeup, the Fenty Beauty. Hey, do you know how much that nigga costs? It's expensive.
Hello. Hi, I don't even know where to start from, guys. What's up? My name's Nana. What's your name? Where you live? What you do? You know, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been forever. It kind of feels somehow, some way. But yeah, so today's video is a Fenty Skin review. I will not lie to you, when I saw Fenty Skin is actually coming out, I didn't care where I was going to get the money from. Well, I did care. I was like, listen, whatever I have to do to get my hands on that skincare routine or those skincare items, I made sure I did it because I did not want to miss out. This is huge for us melanin skin girls, and for skincare industry I feel like this is just huge because it's Rihanna. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So here is my Fenty Skin. Yeah. The packaging is everything. It came in a very cute box that said Fenty Skin and Beauty. It's Fenty Skin and Beauty. It's pretty cute actually. I really love the packaging the items came in. Altogether, I bought the kit, the starter kit, which was about $75. The usual price is I think $80, but for me, including shipping and whatever the case may be, I was probably going to pay $100. So early access did save me my coins. Thank you, Rihanna, you did that. So just to clear the air, so we're just going to spray the room with some rebel flair and just give me a bit of a, Now I think we're ready. Oh, I don't think so. It's not bad. Use some Fenty Beauty on the list. Do you know how expensive this is, nigga?
Makeup, the Fenty Beauty. Hey, do you know how much that nigga costs? It's expensive.
Are you adding to the beauty?
You made no contribution to the beauty.
So in the box I got the Total Cleanser Remover Oil Cleanser, so which is this bad boy over here, bad gal. And I got the Hydro Visor Invisible SPF Moisturizer. I absolutely love how cute this is. It's very easy to use, travel safe because it's not gonna leak. It's locked. Can lock and unlock it, which is perfect. And then I got the Fat Water, which I'm absolutely loving. I'm not usually a toner person or serum usually all the time, but if I know I need it on a daily basis, I will, but not really. Want you to make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world. So the cleanser could actually be used as a makeup remover. I have tried it before. I have been using this since I actually got it. So it does remove your makeup, but however you will need to go in for like a second wash depending on how heavy your makeup is though. So if you're doing a full glam, full face, you'll have to use it twice. If you're just washing your face on a regular, I just use it once and I wash for 60 seconds, just like I use with every other face wash that I have. My skincare routine, listen, I don't have the perfect skin, but I do love to keep my skin looking super clean and neat. So for the Fat Water, I guess they call it Fat Water because it does have a very thick consistency. It looks more like an oil based from here. If you guys see, it looks more like it's oil based, but it's actually not oil based. It's just it's fat water. Rihanna really thought about this. Toner serum combo, so this targets pores, perfect. So it targets pores, improves the look of dark marks, and brightens and smoothens and fights shines. So fights shine. So my thing is with this product, I really do want to test it out. She says it will reduce the appearance of dark spots. I do have quite a lot of dark spots under my chin because I feel like I've been getting lots of like breakouts under my chin. I think maybe it's because I keep touching my face and touching under my chin because I get irritated a lot down there. and just around my face in general as well. I feel like I am getting a few dark spots, so I really would like to see how this is going to help change that. You don't need any cotton pads with this. Usually I feel like with a tone, some exfoliating toners are amazing, don't get me wrong, but like the fact that you're using your hands, I'm happy about that, but I'm also a bit iffy about that as well. Like, is it really gonna work with just using your hands? Like, I'm used to using cotton pads. Well, I guess that makes Fenty Skin very different, the fact that you're not using cotton pads and you're only using your hands, which is smart. I mean, sometimes you have those nights where you come back home, you're super tired, you have to look for your cotton pads. I'm speaking about myself in this instance. You're looking for your cotton pads, or you run out of your cotton pads, and now it's just like, snap, my makeup isn't going to be removed properly. So I mean, why not just pop it on your hand and just, you know, stuff it on? So I'm a huge sucker for sunscreen, especially when it's summertime or just in general daylight. I always make sure I incorporate a sunscreen in my lotion on my face, or I mix it with my lotion just to make sure that I get my skin protected. Guys, cancer does not care. Okay, I make sure I protect my skin from the sun by wearing sunscreen. You do the same. So with this, it's a two-in-one sunscreen and moisturizer. The moisture, guys, I'm not really going to say my skin stays super moisturized when I use this. I use it twice a day because my skin dries out very quickly. Today I only put it on once, and I mean, I showered. But I haven't I washed my face only once today, and it's okay. My skin looks moisturized, but it doesn't feel moist, you know. It doesn't feel it feels hydrated, definitely, but not as moisturized as I would want it to feel. Not an oily moisturization, but like just, you know, good quenched moisture is what I'm looking for, and I don't have that right now. It brightens your skin. It does not leave any white sunscreen marks or gray, blue. So we are safe. Our skin will still look good, and it kind of gives a good glow. What I usually love to do is, if I'm not wearing makeup, pop this on, and then I use my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I just pop it on right after I moisturize to kind of give my skin a super good glow. You know what? I feel like we've done a nice cool review on this so far, so I'm actually going to now show you guys how I use the product. So what I do is I take a little bit of this, literally. It glides on so well. A little goes a very long way, and just twist it back up, grab the excess. Like a little of this goes a super long way. It smells very fresh, it smells clean. It does smell like cherries. Both day and night. I've been using these products both day and night because I really want to see the results ASAP. I'm trying it out for a total of a month to see how different my skin is going to look, and whether or not I'm going to have to drop my regular skincare products that I've been using. So we'll see, Rihanna, if that is worth it. It's so soft and smooth on the skin, and a little does go an honest long way. And please don't forget your next, don't be like me. So next I take my fat oil, and then I just This also smells super fresh, it smells clean. We age on our necks and we age on our hands the most first. So, I mean, we have to keep that looking clean, don't we? I go in with their sunscreen and their moisturizer, and I just literally pop on 2 pumps of this to give me all the moisture that I need, and to lock it, that's literally it. And this I add on, and I just circulate it. That's literally all I do. And I just take the excess onto my shoulders and under my neck. Guys, it feels so good. It smells so clean. The moisturizer this actually comes out, which is another thing I absolutely loved. The fact that this comes out, and they do sell this separately. But I do not like the fact that they sell this for $30 and they sell this together for $32. You honestly might as well just buy an entire new kit, you know, with the dispenser and the product itself. Rather get that on its own, because this is $30 with taxes and everything. You find out you are paying $32, so you might as well just, you know. So that for me doesn't make sense. If this was probably maybe $25, it will make sense to buy this on its own. So for a refill, I'd honestly rather just go buy the entire thing. It comes in a very cute box. Honestly, I love this packaging, yo. Like, it's simple, it's cute. It says Fenty Skin on it. It shows you directions as to how you can assemble. Oh, it was locked. Oops. I definitely know she's going to come out with some more products. I definitely do sense a hydro mist, like a mist, maybe a rose water or cherry water mist coming out. I don't know, I just feel the universe is telling me that it's gonna come out. And also maybe a scrub, maybe body scrub. I mean, it is skin at the end of the day, so she did take her time preparing and working on this project as well for like years. She said it took her 2 years. I don't know for I know you guys can check out all the items that I purchased on Fenty Skin right on their website. Follow them on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Honestly, the only thing that was missing in this video is just a Savage robe, because I feel like I did commemorate a lot of Rihanna vibes. I did bring in, you know, her perfume, I brought in her lip gloss, you know. It's just Savage that's missing, but I mean, you know, there's levels to this game. We're still getting there. So yeah, guys.
All by yourself. It's the time, time. But you be trouble. Got me losing all my control.